friends! How are you? I hope you are all doing well. So for today, pupunta tayo ng mall o drugstore. Saan tayo makakabili ng, if you know that cooling something. Pag may injury ka, kasi yan o, tingnan nyo. Yan. Can you spot the difference? Nag-ano siya, inflame. Yun, in this new normal, tingin ko, kailangan ko na talagang sanayin yung sarili ko na mag-drive. For now, yun, aside from buying a cooling gel something, ilalagay para hindi siya, huli na kasi, dapat pala, cold compress. Magwa 1 week na tong nag-inflame. Yan o. Hindi siya pantay. So, aside from that, I'm also on my way to deliver some goodies. Ouch! Oh, diba na naglag? Hindi siya pala goodies. Mga lab gown para sa aking kapatid who is working in a hospital in the metro. So, yeah, see you later. Bye! Have more car vlogs. Thank you, Manans. More mukbang. Not anymore inside the restaurant, but inside the car. And I got my car holder. I'm so happy. Sell side here at the second floor of Robinsons. Ayan! Yay! 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 Dito ko na lang nalagay. Yan. Let's see. It works. Ito na. Ayun. There. Ayun. Yay. So happy. Tayo ng mabibilhan ng ating hot and cold pack gel. Do you call that? Para sa compress ng ating kamay. But for that, we will be going to Caltech. Still have to switch off our phone kasi nasa gasoline station tayo. So, okay. There. I'll see you later. Bye. Okay. And this kuya, to all our gasoline station attendants, thank you very much as a part of the frontliners. To all drivers na naghahatid ng ating mga goods, thank you so much. And ang hirap ng trabaho nila, especially pa yung long drives. Imagine if you have packages, tulad ngayon nagpa-deliver ako ng LBC. Of course, they go out of their houses, they deliver our packages, they are exposed to the virus. Hindi natin alam kung sino yung kalaban natin at saan ang gagaling. So, thank you for being brave enough to do and continue your job. And, yun, to all the frontliners, go. Tuloy tayo. Yan. Thank you, kuya! Welcome. coming to find our... Yay, finally, I found one here in Beravan. Yay! Nangakon nga, kuning ta. Thank you, Mana. Yay! For your medical needs, medical supplies, you could come here at Beravan in front of the Isano Beravan Medical Supplies. Yay! I hope I'll be healed based on my research. 3 weeks daw na magiging okay yung ating kamay, and it needs rest. Kailangan natin mag-rest for 24 hours. 24 hours lang, but of course, we will be going back to work again. Kaya, hindi din makakapag-rest yung kamay natin, but at least in 24 hours, 48 hours here over the weekend, magiging okay na yung kamay natin. Yan. So, thank you very much, Berovan! At meron tayong Nexicare na, ano to? Reusable cold hot pack. Ayan. I'll let you know what is inside here mamaya when we go back home. Bye! Yeah. With soap and water. Then of course, kailangan, it's implied na to use mask, social distancing or physical distancing, and one thing na bago is pagdating sa bahay, I have to take a bath with shampoo and basa yung likod. Compare before, after work, when I go home, half bath lang. Ngayon, yun, I really have to take a full bath. So, I'll see you later. And yun, ang ingay na nila. Bye! Now we have to wrap this.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. ruBEinspired!